Hey everybody, this is Cheryl Morrison, your local Chicagoland real estate attorney. Today I wanted to hop on real quick and talk to you about a term that you'll probably hear a lot as you're buying a home, and that's the word contingency. And it has a particular meaning in this context, and there's a few different contingencies that you'll encounter. The first is the home inspection contingency. So your offer will be contingent upon you accepting the condition of the property of the home, and you'll have a certain number of days after your offer's been accepted in which to raise that contingency. And if you find the condition of the home unacceptable, then you can get out of the contract. And so long as it's within that time frame for something acceptable within that contingency, you'll get your earnest money back. No harm, no foul. Now, of course, you may choose to ask for some things to be fixed as part of that contingency too. And then if you work things out, great, things will go forward. If you can't work that out, then perhaps you'll cancel the contract and get your earnest money back. The second one is the attorney review contingency, and this gives a certain number of days, again, at the beginning of the contract from the date that the offer was accepted, for your attorney to review the contract with you, go over all of the provisions, make sure that you understand everything, tweak the form from what the standard form is to something that would better protect your interests. And, we can do that for anything other than purchase price. We can't just say that now, even though we've accepted this purchase price, now we want something different. Anything else, though, is sort of fair game. That's the second thing. And then the third thing is usually the mortgage contingency. And this is just the time frame for you to get your mortgage when you're buying a house. So long as you make a diligent effort to secure a mortgage for your purchase of the home within the time frame, if you are unable to get approved for that, so long as you give notice within that time frame, then of course you can get, the contract can be canceled. You can receive your earnest money back. No harm, no foul again. Now, this is just a really basic overview for all of this stuff. It's very technical on what falls within these categories and what doesn't. And you absolutely want to make sure that you have someone on your side who knows exactly what they're doing and is very practiced in this area of law, because not only might you, forfeit your earnest money if you improperly cancel the contract, but you also theoretically could, be on the hook for specific performance of the contract. And it's a really severe remedy. It's actually saying that, no, you can't back out of it. We are going to force you to buy this home or force you to sell this home to us. It's extreme and doesn't happen often, but it's absolutely something that you want to make sure that, you're following along with the contract and monitoring these contingency deadlines so that you can be best protected, whether you're buying a home or selling a home. And it's one of the most important things that we do as attorneys is guide you through that process to make sure that you are protected and that everything goes exactly how it should. So I hope this has been helpful for you. And if you have any questions about this, please reach out to me. I'm always here to help.